Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to overwrite deleted data using DOS. As you may know, deleted data is still there until being overwritten. And recovery software can restore most deleted data. So you need to be careful if you're disposing of your computer and you have something that you don't want prying eyes to see. When you delete a file and empty the recycle bin, Windows removes the pointer and marks the space as now available to be written to. I'll now show you how to overwrite deleted data so people can't restore those files and pictures that you've deleted. To do this, go down to the Start button, left click, and in the search bar type CMD. And you can either left click on it, cmd.exe, or right click and select Run as Administrator. And after the prompt type cipher, that's CIPHER space /W:/D, where D is the drive. Not recommended for SSDs, this. It's a good idea to close any other applications while you're running this program. As you can see, I've speeded this up. It actually took 30 minutes, and what you're going to see now takes 30 seconds. I just did this to a small memory stick. If you're doing this to a 1 terabyte hard drive, I suggest you run it overnight. It writes a series of random numbers and letters. When finished, type exit and press enter, or click on the X to close the window. How to overwrite deleted data using DOS is related to my suite called How to Securely Prepare Your Computer for Disposal. Links to these videos are in the description under this online video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.